Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about NIO. Now, if you saw NIO today, guys, you were happy. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys, and let's get right into this video. Now, if you've been following, my NIO video for the last probably 2 days now, I've been saying, hey, watch this triangle, guys. When we break out of it, I think we're about to explode to the upside. And then we did exactly that on Monday. We did the explosion. Now, it wasn't too much of an explosion. Today is when we really got the explosion. So, basically, talking about recapping, what happened from Monday until now, in case you haven't been watching my videos, is we were watching this descending triangle. So, we were watching this this trend line down and this horizontal support, right? We were watching these two lines and we were talking about, hey, one of these is going to break to the downside or upside, and when one of them does break, that's going to be our signal on which direction we're going to pick. Now, on Monday, NIO broke above it, barely though, NIO broke above it, so yes, technically it was picking direction, but it wasn't really confirmation. We really didn't get a strong push up, and yesterday, same thing. We kind of just baseline, we kind of hung out and didn't really get that strong push up that I was talking about. Now, yesterday's video that I made last night, go ahead and watch that if you haven't. But I mentioned, us doing nothing yesterday was still a good sign. The reason I said that is because it showed you that, hey, there were not a lot of sellers. So this is what a lot of sellers look like, guys. Right here, push price down. Right here, push price down. Yesterday, we didn't get that. We did not get that at all. In fact, we just baselined out. We consolidated, which was good. Yes, it showed that there weren't buyers there, but it also showed, which was very important, that there weren't sellers there. And of course, this whole month, what we've been looking at is just sellers. Finally, they did not show up yesterday, and that lets you know, hey, the story is changing. We're about to do something different. And today, guys, the market, we can chalk it up to the market having a good day, whatever it may be, but NIO finally ran. It's been a long time since we've seen NIO do a 5% move. Normally it's a 5% move to the downside. So guys, today the story changed, and this is where you come in the discussion conversation. I always like to get you guys talking. Do you think this is short-lived? Do you think we're heading back down still? Or do you think, hey, the bulls are back, NIO's about to take off? Personally, I'm leaning towards the bulls. I've always been. You've been watching this triangle, and I even said, I think it's going to break out to the upside. It just didn't make sense. Even from a NIO standpoint, it didn't make sense for it to just break this horizontal support. It was strong, and I couldn't imagine seeing NIO really below or close to $30. I really couldn't, guys. A lot of you probably felt the same way. But, of course, we don't make the decisions in the market. We just have to follow suit, and we're doing good. Now, of course, we could turn right here and just head right back down. So, once again, guys, we don't need to get ahead of ourselves. We don't need to get too excited. Even though this was a good day, we still need to watch a level. I mentioned this level in my video yesterday. I've been talking about it a lot, and it's this 39.39 level. We got rejected before. Last week, we pumped up, came right back down. So, when I'm telling you guys this is very, very important, you got to listen, because tomorrow, I see two things happening. Either tomorrow is a slight pullback day, which if the red comes, you don't want us getting below this last candle's opening. So you don't want to get below around 37.70 tomorrow. Don't want to get below that. So if we do have a red day tomorrow, don't panic. But really what I'm looking out for is if we get that continuation even tomorrow again. I'm watching this 39.39 level. It's very important we do not get a huge rejection candle like over here. So guys, watch tomorrow. Tomorrow could be very well just a day where we pull back. We have a red day. But in the event, we do go for it, watch 39.39. We need to push through that. If we're able to break through that level, I'm very confident going into NIO next week and finishing this week out strong. I'm very confident in NIO if it's able to break through that level. But it's very important that we break through it and not see the selling pressure that we have seen so many times before on NIO. So that's going to be your main focus tomorrow. I'm super excited about finally the bulls actually showing up on NIO. It's been a while since we've seen this. I know you guys feel the same way, especially if you've been following NIO and my channel for a while. You guys feel the same way, so it was, a sign of relief to actually see this today. So keep on lookout tomorrow. Do we get the push up past 39.39, or do we get the small pullback day? Which, if the red does come tomorrow, I'm okay with it. As long as we don't break underneath this 37.60, 37.70 area. So those are your two main focuses tomorrow, guys. Hopefully NIO does continue that push up. Just looking at the overall market before we leave here, it had an amazing day. Now the market fooled me. I legit thought we were coming back down. Market said nope, push up. But I'm watching this area right here on the market specifically. If we're unable to get above that tomorrow, I do think we head lower. Same thing with the SPY, watching this trend line. So previously this was a trend line up. We got below it. Now it's acting as a resistance. So I'm watching this tomorrow, watching closely. Actually going to see how this story involves. But overall, good day on NIO, good day on the market. So hopefully, let's think that the market's going to have another good day. So either way, guys, appreciate you stopping by here. Appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next video.